So in Arabic, plural starts from 3. For wahid we have one word, for tasniya we have a separate word, and jam'a, plural, is 2 plus, not 1 plus. So how are we going to make dual from plural? And that's our today's topic. For singular words, if you're not sure, we can look in the dictionary and we will find a singular word for that particular noun. For example, we say kitabun, one book. Kitabun. That's one book. So the method or the formula to make dual from this is very simple. It's a two-step process. In the first step, what we're going to do is we're going to remove this tanween and replace it with fataha, single fataha. So we are going to write kitaba. And then we are going to add alif and noon. Alif comes here and noon takes kasra. So from kitabun it becomes kitabani. One book, two books. So we don't have to use the word two. So just kitabani means two books. And that will be its rafa state, raf'un state of rafa. Because we have to remember Arab as well, because Arab is going to go with us all the time. So raf, that's rafa, raf'un. So that state of rafa for dual. What about nasab and jar? Nasab. So for nasab and jar, there is only one word. And again, that will be made from singular. But this time, from singular, we are going to write this way. For example, kitabun. So we remove tanween. Just like here, give this fatha. And but this time, we're not going to add alif, we're going to add ya and noon. Noon takes kasra and ya takes sukun. So it becomes kitabaini, kitabani, kitabaini. And it's the same for both nasab and jar. So basically from Arab point of view, dual of book will be kitabani, kitabaini, kitabaini. So very simple formula, there's nothing much in it, simple and straightforward. And this method or process or formula of making dual is same for muzakkar and for muannas asma. So kitab is muzakkar, and we can look at one muannas. For example, room, ghurfatun. Ghurfatun is room. Similarly, what we're going to do is we're going to this time going to open this tha, remove the tanween and give it fatha. So this is tied up tha, ta marbuta. So we're going to open it, make it ta maftuha, ghurfa. That's ta. Ghurfa. And this ta, we're going to remove tanween and give fatha again. Add alif and noon. Alif and noon takes kasra. So ghurfatani, ghurfatun, ghurfatani, two rooms. And that's rafa. And nasab and jar similarly will be ghurfata, ghurfata, and we add ya and noon here. Ghurfataini. So ghurfatani, ghurfataini, ghurfataini. So three states, two forms as far as the I'rab is concerned. There's one point of caution here. Let's remove that. There are some words, for example, baytun used for house. Baytun is house. And if we want to say two houses, we will say similar formula, baytani. Baytani, the sound of ani. And okay, let's take another word, ummatun, nation. That's feminine because of ta marbuta. Ummatun. And from this we're going to make dual. Ummatani. So we can see here that when we opened ta, so we opened this ta marbuta, which is tied up ta. When we opened it, so they have both come, maftuha and marbuta, they are looking the same. Baytani, baytani. But this thani does not then mean that this is feminine. In this case, we will have to go to wahid of the word. And if the wahid is muzakkar, then this is muzakkar. And here the wahid is muannas, ummatani is muannas. So just we have to be careful here that we can't say baytani is muannas because of thani sound. We'll go to wahid of that, and wahid is muzakkar, so this is muzakkar. Wahid here is muannas, so dual is muannas as well.